Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm gonna show you my number one breakfast, which is so easy. Just take it out of the fridge and put it on your plate and voila.
This is perfect for busy moms like me. All I do is buy the jars from the dollar store and make it enough for 3 days. You can put any kind of berries, whatever makes you happy. I like to break it up into pieces or cut it up so all the juice, everything comes out. Next morning, you can just put it on a plate, and if you wish, you can eat it cold or warm it up just for 20 seconds.